Thank you for choosing Marty'S Salon and welcome. We are a L'Oreal professional salon dedicated to making our guests feel comfortable and at home throughout the entire experience. We work with you to create a style that enhances natural beauty while fitting your lifestyle. When you arrive, you'll be greeted by our wonderful receptionists and shampoo assistants. Your stylist will soon come to you and invite you to begin your service. All of our stylists are constantly educated in the newest trends and how to achieve styles that specifically work for each guest. From the entire Marty'S Salon family, welcome. We are so happy to have you.